Have you ever wondered why some people seem to make friends easily while others struggle to connect? Or why within just seconds, someone can decide whether they trust or like you? First impressions are powerful, and understanding the psychology behind them can completely transform your social life. In this video, we are going to dive into the science behind first impressions, uncover the psychology that influences how people judge others, and give you actionable tips based on psychology to instantly make people like you, connect with you, and trust you. What if I told you that making a great first impression isn't just about how you look, but how you carry yourself, communicate, and connect emotionally? Well, let's explore how. Understanding the psychology behind first impressions. Let's start with the basics. First impressions are the snap judgments people make about you within the first few moments of meeting you. And here's the thing, they're formed in just 7 seconds. That's faster than you might think. So, why are first impressions important? Well, first impressions act as the foundation for how others perceive you over time. Whether you're meeting someone at a networking event, a first date, or starting a new job, your first interaction sets the stage for future communication and trust building. Research in psychology shows that first impressions rely on two things: warmth and competence. People want to know, can I trust this person? And can this person handle the situation? These two factors determine how your initial impression lands. Evolutionary psychology tells us that we are wired to make these judgments quickly. Our ancestors had to decide fast, was this person a threat or someone who could help them survive? That same evolutionary wiring remains with us today. Understanding this means that even subconscious signals, like your tone of voice, eye contact, and posture, can influence how someone perceives you. So, therefore, here we summary this as first impressions are the initial opinions and judgments someone forms about you upon meeting you for the first time. They're based on both conscious and subconscious observations, things like how you look, how you act, and how you communicate. The science of first impressions stems from evolutionary psychology. As humans, we are wired to make snap judgments about others as a survival mechanism. Think about it, our ancestors needed to decide quickly whether someone was a friend or foe. That same instinct still drives much of how we interact today. Here are key points about first impressions. 1. They're fast. Studies suggest people evaluate you within seconds of meeting you. 2. They're hard to change. First impressions set the tone for future interactions, and they can stick with someone for a long time. 3. They're based on various cues. These include body language, tone of voice, facial expressions, style, and more. 4. Now that we know the psychology behind first impressions, let's explore how you can use this knowledge to make a great one. How people judge others. The 5 main factors influencing first impressions: physical appearance, looks, grooming, clothing. Nonverbal cues, body language, posture, gestures. Tone of voice, confidence, warmth, how you speak. Communication skills, active listening, storytelling. Emotional intelligence, empathy, connection. The power of body language. Your body communicates more than your words ever will. Nonverbal cues account for over 90% of communication in social settings. That means your posture, gestures, facial expressions, and movements can make or break your first impression. Key aspects of positive body language. Open posture, avoid crossing your arms or turning away from the person. Open posture signals receptiveness and confidence. Maintain good eye contact. Eye contact shows confidence, attentiveness, and trustworthiness. Just ensure it's natural, not intense or staring. Smile genuinely. A genuine smile releases feel-good chemicals, endorphins, in your brain and makes others feel at ease. Lean in slightly. Leaning in during conversation shows interest and engagement without invading personal space. Firm handshake. A firm but not overly aggressive handshake communicates confidence and professionalism. Body language to avoid: crossing your arms or making yourself appear closed off. Avoiding eye contact or looking distracted. Slouching or appearing disinterested. The goal is to exude confidence, warmth, and openness through your nonverbal cues. Remember, confidence is contagious. How your appearance impacts first impressions. While the saying, "don't judge a book by its cover," is a noble idea, the reality is that appearance plays a major role in first impressions. This doesn't mean you need to look like a runway model, but your personal presentation sends important signals to others. Tips for a positive appearance: dress appropriately for the context. Your clothing should align with the situation, e.g., formal settings versus casual environments. Pay attention to grooming. Well-groomed hair, clean nails, and good hygiene show that you respect yourself and those around you. Dress for confidence. Choose outfits that make you feel confident and express your personality without being distracting. Colors matter. Psychologists suggest that colors can influence perception. For example, red, confidence and passion. Blue, trust and calm. Black, sophistication and power. Remember, your appearance is a visual representation of how you value yourself and others. A polished, intentional look gives off signals of self-assurance and professionalism. Now let's start with the role of communication. Next, let's talk about the communication. Did you know that over 90% of our communication isn't about the words we say, but about how we say them? Nonverbal cues include things like body language, facial expressions, posture, gestures, eye contact, and even proximity. Your verbal communication is just as important as your nonverbal cues. How you speak and the words you choose can solidify a strong, likable first impression. The nonverbal communication makes up 90% of our interactions. Examples: posture, gestures, facial expressions, eye contact, and personal space. Effective communication skills. Speak clearly and confidently. Avoid mumbling or speaking too fast. Speak with conviction. Listen actively. Listening is just as powerful as speaking. When someone feels heard, they feel valued. Ask open-ended questions. Questions like, "What's your story?" or "What brought you here today?" allow the conversation to flow. Use the person's name. People love the sound of their own name. Using it in conversation creates a personal connection. Mirror body language. Subtle mirroring signals rapport and connection. For instance, if they lean forward, you can lean forward slightly too. Key nonverbal cues. Let's break down the key nonverbal cues that influence first impressions. 1. Open body language. Avoid crossing your arms or looking closed off. Open gestures communicate trust and confidence. See the difference? Closed-off posture sends the wrong signals, while open, relaxed body language invites connection. 2. Smile genuinely. Smiles release endorphins and make you feel more approachable. Smiles are simple but powerful. Just ensure they're genuine. People can spot a fake smile a mile away. 3. Eye contact. Maintain natural, steady eye contact, not staring. Eye contact builds trust. When you look someone in the eye and stay engaged, they feel heard and respected. 4. Mirroring. Subtle gestures mirroring someone's body language establishes connection and builds rapport. For example, if someone leans in, you might lean in slightly as well. This helps build a subconscious connection. 5. Lean in slightly. Leaning in during a conversation shows genuine interest. Pay attention to how this makes a person feel. It signals you're focused and present. How body language translates subconsciously. Connect body language to trust building. When you stand tall, smile warmly, and maintain appropriate eye contact, you're subconsciously sending a signal that you're approachable and trustworthy. Include a quick real-life example here to make this relatable. Imagine meeting someone for the first time. They stand with arms crossed, avoid eye contact, and give off a reserved vibe. Contrast that with someone who smiles, stands with open posture, and makes eye contact. Which one feels warmer and more inviting? Appearance, why it matters more than you think. Now let's talk about something people don't always acknowledge: appearance. It's not about being a model or having designer clothes, it's about showing you care about how you present yourself. Appearance is equal to confidence plus respect. Key strategies. Dress for the context. Dress appropriately for social or professional situations. Grooming matters, clean hair, clean nails, and neat clothing shows self-respect. Colors matter, red, confidence. Blue, trustworthiness. Black, professionalism. When you invest time in how you present yourself, you're showing people you care about making them comfortable and building trust. Emotional intelligence and empathy. Emotional intelligence, or EQ, is the ability to recognize and manage your emotions and the emotions of others. People with high EQ tend to be better at making others feel comfortable and building rapport. How to boost your emotional intelligence? Practice active listening. Truly listen to the person's concerns or interests without focusing solely on what you'll say next. Show empathy. Put yourself in their shoes. Respond with kindness and understanding. 3. Be self-aware. Know your triggers and emotions so they don't negatively impact interactions. 4. Adaptability. People appreciate those who can adjust their approach depending on the social situation. High emotional intelligence allows you to connect with others on a deeper level and ensure your first impression isn't just about showing confidence but about creating authentic connection. How to build instant rapport? Rapport is that magical connection that makes two people feel in sync with each other. Building rapport relies on shared understanding, trust, and mutual respect. Strategies to build rapport. Mirror and match. Subtly mimicking someone's gestures or posture fosters a sense of familiarity. Find common ground, shared interests, experiences, or goals can form the foundation of a connection. Show appreciation and gratitude, compliment or show admiration when appropriate. It makes the other person feel valued. Find opportunities for shared experiences. Shared experiences build bonds, whether that's through shared laughter, challenges, or conversations. Now we came to the conclusion, so there you have it. The psychology of first impressions and actionable tips to make people like you instantly. Remember, making a great first impression isn't just about luck or trying too hard, it's about being authentic, confident, and approachable. Also, it's about psychology, communication, appearance, and emotional intelligence. By focusing on your body language, listening actively, showing confidence, and presenting your best self, you can master the art of first impressions. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more psychology insights and self-improvement strategies. Let me know in the comments which of these tips you'll try first. Stay confident, stay authentic, and I'll see you in the next video.